Alright guys, welcome to another quick unbox by PanDaily. Here we have with us the Z5s by Lenovo that they released just yesterday, okay? We're gonna take a quick look at this right now. Here we go. So here we go guys. Woohoo! Oh, look at that. Alright, now we have it here. Oh my gosh, look at this. So this is I think this is a gray color edition that they have right now. It's pretty cool. Check out these cameras right here. Triple camera set, but this one's singled out. Right, got your fingerprint sensor on the back. Okay. I'm gonna leave this on the side for now. And take a look at what's inside. Should be the standard setup. Yep, got your charging cable and your regular charger. Huh, that's about it. Okay, well, maybe they have a case for us inside. Oh yeah, it's like your standard casing. Okay, anyways. Alright, so that's it for the Lenovo Z5s.